Good afternoon, Mary, and thank you for inquiring about the Genesis. As you can see, I'm showing forward the Genesis right here behind me. The Genesis comes with some great features: heated seats, cool seats, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation. Also comes with the panoramic sunroof, but they all come with America's best warranty: 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. With a Genesis, you also get a 3-year, 36,000 mile complimentary valet service. So give me a call, 205 720 6581. You're going to love what you treat here at Genesis Hoover.